Frustrated because you're missing the last quarter of your follow through rotation? Well, I have something that's been helping my clients over the years restore and keep that chest to target rotation, even when they've been dealing with an arthritic back. Now, before I give you the move that's going to help you improve and complete that chest to target rotation, there are two or three things that you must have in play in order to make this work effortlessly. Number one, recheck your grip. If you're over 40, believe it or not, after the age of 40, men primarily start losing that grip strength and the finger dexterity for the majority of their fingers. And I'm sure you know that the one of the reasons for the poor club head control on your downswing is grip. Number two is that if you have the ability to side bend equally to the left and to the right, and maybe have a quarter to half an inch different, that will be okay. But if you have any more than that, it will cause you restrictions in your torso rotation by taking away the weight shifting from your legs. If those two things are in play and they hold true, then, my friend, you're more than capable of completing this exercise to restore your complete torso rotation. Listen, after working with golfers like yourself for over 18 years, there's one thing I realize. Regardless of your swing style, it all comes down to impact and how fluidly we can get you and your body and your golf club to connect at impact. That means that even if you gain another 10 degrees of your rotation, that can translate either to another 15, 20 yards or a higher percent of you hitting and staying on the fairway. And you know what that means, right? All right. This is one of the three exercises in the yoga world that we have incorporated. And inside the circle, we call it the greatest golf stretch in the world. One of the things that makes this stretch so valuable is the ability to target four out of the seven swing core muscles. By preparing the joints and elongating the muscles and the other soft tissue, your brain becomes aware and accustomed to that weight shifting and the twisting movement. And as a result, it will not unconsciously fight you when it's the time for you to add the swing speed component. That means the more frequently you go through all these three exercises, the less likely your body will fight, especially with your brain when it comes swing time. Now remember, your brain will do whatever it takes to keep you and your body safe, especially if you tend to lose your balance when you're trying to complete that rotation, which probably might show as a slice or a short stop yardage. And like I mentioned at the beginning, this stretch, the Utida, covers four out of the seven swing core muscles. But if you want to see the rest of them in action, I want to invite you to the upcoming mini workshop. All you got to do is simply click the link and you'll be notified of the next upcoming workshop.